bomo danes skupaj z kolegi iz Avstrije, ki jih seveda še pričakujemo, naredili božično in novoletno vadbo smeha. Smejati se na Dunaju v tem lepem času, predbožičnem času in ne nazadnje tudi tu in tam kakšno snežinko je pa že prav idealno vzdušje.
Test. Ja, liebe Damen und Herren, Ladies and Gentlemen, wir sind hier, um das Lach-Yoga zu verbreiten und wir werden in circa einer Minute eine Lach-Yoga-Session machen. Everybody's invited to join in and just spread joy and laughter as much as we can. Okay.
So I think it's really a beautiful idea. So thank you, Simona, for bringing all your friends from the Slovenian Laughter Club to Vienna. And it's the first time, so we don't know the reactions of the people. We'll see whether we have to go to jail or whatever. I don't know yet.
So Thomas, would you like to come also in Slovenia to laugh in Slovenia with all Laughter members? And maybe how many members you have here in Vienna, Laughter members in the club?
It's good that you're asking me because I don't know the answer to this question. In my club there are about 15 to 20 people who come regularly to the Laughter Club. So it changes from time to time, but in whole Vienna there might be, I don't know, 100 or maybe more. But we are not so well organized like you are in Slovenia, so I'm very jealous of you that you are coming to Austria with such a huge group, and it's beautiful because, as we know, laughter is really connecting people. And so I hope the number of laughing people is growing and growing steadily, and maybe we'll see, maybe we'll meet some new friends. And it's also a good advertisement for Slovenia because, as I said, it's connecting people in a very nice and beautiful way.
We will also make here a laughing session for laughing next year, for the better next year, and also the Christmas time. I think it will be very good to invite all the people to join us and laugh with us, and that everybody will have the beautiful next year.
Yeah, so what I can do, I'm going to make big advertisement for your event in May, and we'll see, maybe even in December. So it's nice to have some events looking forward for next year, and I'm sure it's going to be a big success like the one you did this year. So I'm very happy that you're organizing it.
Kje bili zajček?
Yeah, where's the rabbit? Where's the rabbit? Where's the rabbit? Where's the
Pozor! Predstavljamo vam in obiskala nas je kraljica smeha Avstrije, tekmovanja v smehu, gospa Grete!
Lachcreme, Laughter Cream.
Ich bin ganz glücklich, wenn ich lachen gehe. Und für die Gesundheit ist es für mich ideal. Ich möchte es nicht missen. Am liebsten würde ich tagtäglich lachen gehen, aber es ist leider nicht so oft. Schön ist es. Und für mich ist es die halbe Gesundheit. Ja.
Wie es dir heute geht, weil du da vorbeigekommen bist, kannst du noch kurz beschreiben?
Schön. Schön. Ich bin die Einzige, die hergekommen ist. Ich finde überhaupt sonst niemanden. Die 2 Herren kenne ich, sonst kenne ich niemanden. Ich bin wegen euch gekommen. Wegen euch bin ich gekommen. Schön. Ich bereue es nicht, dass ich euch jetzt gesehen habe. Schön war es. Sehr schön. Wirklich.
Gremo še enkrat. Gremo.
Okay, I think it was a very good idea from Simona Krebs to meet here in the center of Vienna to make a laughter session together. And it was very funny because the people were looking at us and everybody was doing it with us. So it was a great time here in Vienna in some days, few days before Christmas. So I wish you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you. Yeah, we have our own laughter club, yes.
You're a teacher or?
Yes, I'm a laughter teacher in Austria here. I'm doing this since 2004. Where I start, and it's really good for the health, and I can just say to everybody, please make it as often as possible and start to be a very strong laughter because it's good for your health and for your body.
And maybe it's important that international meeting.
Sure, this helps also to bring the idea of Dr. Madan Kataria more around the world, and it's sure the best thing to meet from different places all over the world. And the best place to meet is Vienna.
You know, I'm from here, so I'm from this city. I never saw this before, laughter, so much laughter on the Stephansplatz. And before I thought, oh God, so many people will be here because of Christmas time, you know, what will they say? It was super. So they stepped in, they laughed with us. Very good, yeah.
The rain was no problem, no?
No, for me not. Except the hair, okay? Because I just was at the hairdresser's and he did, you know, with the phone, yeah. So, and now the rain, oh. No, doesn't matter. It's fun. It's a lot of fun. Great that you were here. Super.
Now, very difficult, number 2. And now,
Very good, very good, yay! Very good, yay!
And now number 27.
I have never been to Maribor, so no. I have to. I will come. Thursday evening, 7:30, right?
Next
Super.
festival.
When is the festival?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll ask. Yeah, super. Yeah. Thank you for
you
coming.
practice here?
Yes. I have 2 laughter clubs in Vienna. So,
How many people?
it depends. One day we had 60 people because we were on the TV, but usually 15 to 20, 25.
And what's the meaning for you, for your life?
To be honest, it's a kind of therapeutic effect. I feel that I get more, in German it's heiter gelassen, more calm inside. Yeah, and I can cope with anger better. So if something makes me angry, in former times I went like, and today I'm. This is the best thing about the laughter yoga for me. It makes me more calm. Well, you have to try to build it into your life as a daily routine, like brushing teeth, like taking a shower. Otherwise, it won't help. You have to do it on a daily basis. Even one exercise in front of the mirror. Good morning. Like these small things. Not the big things, the small things. But you have to do it on a daily basis to get a discipline, a routine. Yeah, that makes it. Yes, I want to become a star. No.
Laughing star.
Yeah, I am a laughing star. No, to stay healthy and to stay happy inside and to give this to many people. This is the plan for the next year. Of course, laughter makes you happy. So it's a good tool for that. And doing it with the people together is even better. Yeah. So and singing together like we did, laughing, singing, dancing, the best. Huh?
This side.
Oxygen was. Safety belts. Sick bags. Have a good night.
Moram reči, da občutki so enkratni. Imam občutek, v glavnem, da smo dosegli svoj namen. Ta namen je bil v tem božičnem času, kjer se zdaj nahajamo, ponesti smeh tudi malo med ljudi. Ne samo v našem okolju, ampak tudi nekje drugje. Zato smo se odločili za ta predbožični Dunaj. Mislim, da nam je krasno uspelo. Krog se je večal in večal, tako da mislim, da smo na dobri poti.
In kar je bilo najlepše, premagali smo dež.
Točno to, kar je še en dokaz več, da smeh res dela čudeže.
In da smo ustvarili nekaj snežink.
Tako, tudi to.
Kaj vam osebno pomeni ukvarjanje z jogo smeha? Koliko redno jo prakticirate?
Moram reči, da redno jo prakticiram vsak teden, vsak četrtek kot članica kluba brezplačnega joge smeha pri nas v Mariboru. Drugače pa smo zdaj tudi začeli se ukvarjati z različnimi raziskavami, tako da lahko rečem, da je postal smeh del mojega vsakodnevnega življenja. Zato, ker sem del teh raziskav in nekako je čudovito se zavedati te preproste stvari, ki jo imamo sami v sebi. In še bolj čudovito pa bo, ko bo dosegli tudi ta občutek, da smo jo ponesli ne samo med preproste, navadne ljudi, drug drugemu, ampak nekako tudi znotraj ustanov, ki mogoče to potrebujejo, a se še ne zavedajo, kako.
Now we have a Viennese specialty. It's called carousel laughter. So we go like one turn to the left, one to the right, and then we... Yeah? Everybody ready? Okay.
Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha.
About ourselves, laughter.
Dogajanje na Dunaju je bilo čudovito in prvi občutki takoj po današnjem srečanju joge smeha s udeleženci iz Slovenije in iz Avstrije je prekrasno. Tukaj ob Štefanovi cerkvi, kjer smo imeli prvo mednarodno jogo smeha, je bilo neverjetno vzdušje. Sprva nekaj udeležencev, tistih pogumnih, ki smo začeli z vadbo, s smejanjem, je uspelo okužiti celo tiste, ki so bili v turističnem ogledu mesta in jih zvabiti na samo srečanje.
And maybe the Viennese waltz laughter. Waltz, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And change partners. Very good.
Ja, na srečo se je vreme hitro umirilo, tako da se je pridružila tudi večje število ljudi, ne samo člani iz klubov iz Avstrije in Slovenije. Tako da mislim, da je bilo vse skupaj zelo uspešno, saj smo pritegnili tudi ostalo množico, ki se sprehaja po trgu in smo jih s svojim smehom tudi po moje malo razvedrili.
Velja to ponoviti ali uprizoriti tudi pri nas in to čim prej?
Jaz mislim, da je smiselno, ker moje mnenje je, da čim več se smeh širi, tem več bo veselja v ljudeh in svet bo postal boljši zaradi tega. Klub prihajamo od začetka, se pravi od otvoritve sem prisoten, zdaj zadnje čase mogoče malo manj, ker imam druge obveznosti, ampak v vsakem primeru opažam neke pozitivne spremembe na sebi oziroma tudi moj pogled na vse probleme in težave, ki so okoli nas v vsakdanjem svetu, postaja malo lažji in znosnejši.
Torej, če nisi redno v klubu, prakticiraš morda sam?
Tudi poskušam, če le da čas, mislim, če le časno.
Kaj priporočaš ljudem v prihajajočem letu?
Kaj priporočam?
Ali želiš?
Želim jim, da se čim več smejijo in da s tem prebrodijo vso to krizo, ki je sedaj trenutno okoli nas.
Kaj je bilo najpomembnejše zame, je to, da je smeh res eno tisto zdravilo in pravi dobesedni virus, ki okuži še tako zaprtega človeka. igra, ples, zabava, smeh in druženje, ne glede na jezik, ali ga znamo ali ga ne, nas je popeljal v te prekrasne božične praznike in pa v želji, da naslednje leto nam bo drago, smejoče in pa optimistično v vseh pogledih.